In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable fast charging on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. And I'll be showing you how to enable both fast wired charging and also fast wireless charging. So to do that, you'll need to unfold your phone. And right now, we're still on slow charging. We have not enabled fast charging. So let's try and see what the charging speed is. So I'm going to connect this cable, which actually shows me the wattage or the speed at which the phone is charging. So currently, as you can see, it tops out at about 9.2 watts, between 9.1 and 9.2 watts. Okay. So let's go ahead and enable fast charging. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to battery and device care. Tap on that and then tap on battery. Under battery, scroll down to more battery settings. Tap on that and then you should see the option for fast charging. Now enable that, and then also if you have a wireless charger or a fast wireless charger, also enable fast wireless charging. And now that we've enabled fast wireless charging, you can see it's getting a little faster. We are now at 11 watts. I'm just gonna check and see. We're now at 18 watts, as you can see, 19 watts. So that's significantly faster than 9 watts, okay? Almost double the charging speed. And that is basically how to enable fast charging for both wired charging and wireless on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Now, I'm using a fast charging brick from Anker. I'll just show you quickly what that looks like. So this is a charging brick I'm using, and I'll link it down below. And I'll also link some other nice charging bricks from Anker because they do have some good ones. And I'll also link this cable in the description below. This one that shows the wattage. Thanks for watching and good luck.